Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are shopping at Five Below. Five Below has items from $1 to $10. They have some really great stuff that make great DIY, so I can't wait to see what we find. All right, you guys, I just walked in and I'm already just so excited. I love all these like room-to-room canvas containers. They have like a natural one and then a white one. I think I like this one. This one's $4. They also have larger ones for $5. They have several basket options. Like they have these gray ones. I think my favorite would be these wicker ones. These would be great in a bathroom, and those are $5. So really cute. They're not super large, but cute. And it looks like they have the larger ones up there in white. So they have several options out for spring for succulents. They have this really cute little one for $3. They have a set of the miniature ones for $4. And they also come with like little white pots. You can get this little thing for $5. This is like a little hanging basket. I love this one for $5. Look at this one, you guys. Isn't that cute? So I wanted to grab a wood bowl from the thrift store. I found this one for $3.99 at my local thrift store, and I thought it'd be great for a centerpiece with some items that I picked up at Five Below. I'm going to start off by adding in some newspaper and paper bags to the bottom so I don't have to fill the entire thing up with rocks. Next up, I'm going to use some natural stone rocks. These are from Dollar Tree and I use them for multiple projects. So you're just going to put all of your rocks down, trying to cover up all of your bags the best that you can. I had to get out a few more rocks in order to cover these up. I ended up at Five Below picking up their pack of succulents for $4. You get 3 succulents for $4. So I'm just going to take them out of their containers and put them into my arrangement. Now, I should have gotten 2 packages, so I ended up adding in some of my Dollar Tree succulents as well, and then just finishing off with some more rocks, and I think this makes a great centerpiece. They have this Greenery Garland for $5. It's a little bright for me. I would probably spray paint it, but it's cute for $5. They also have some really cute little chalkboards and message boards. I think this is great. It's a little dry erase at the bottom, and then you could put push pins at the top. I love this one too as like a little calendar, and then a chalkboard for $5. I love this little throw blanket. It's got cute little tassels at the bottom and it's like a fun little cream color for $5. It's also in a gray color. All right, I keep finding cute throws. This one's really cute. And then look at this rug. I really like that. And then there's also the same rug in blue. Look at this stool, you guys. It is priced at $5. It is so cute. They also have this gray one here, but I'm definitely getting this. I want to find one that's got really good wood grain on it, but so cute. So I ended up picking up that throw and a stool. I was so surprised with this throw because it actually had some fringe on the front of it. I'm like, this is even better. So I loved this blanket. So I'm just going to cut it around the edge so I have probably about 4 inches hanging over the edge. Next, I'm going to go in with my staple gun and I'm just going to staple the sides. Then I'm going to pull it up and constantly be tucking the fabric so it's as smooth as possible on the front. Once I have the entire piece stapled, I'm going to come back in and just cut off any excess. You can also hot glue it down if you're seeing it from the front, but I try to just cut it off as best I can. And for $10, I have a really cute stool from Five Below. All right, so one thing I spotted are these plastic acrylic containers. These are $5, you guys, but these can be really expensive if you order them. I've ordered some off of Amazon for quite a bit more. So if you wanted like organization for your fridge or pantry, these would be awesome. So they also have this 24-inch floating shelf for $10, which is a great price. I also saw this plant for $10. Now it's not the most realistic, but you could probably paint it and make it look a little bit more natural. But for $10, that's a good deal. Ooh, I love these, you guys. They're like little, they look like concrete planters. These look like they are $10. So this 5x7 rug, you guys, is only $10. And then they have these bamboo rugs for $5. Like, look at how cute those are. All of these rugs are just so nice. Ooh, I love this one too. This gray one is really cute. It's got tassels. This would make an adorable pillow, so we might pick this up. So I really liked this rug pattern for $5, so I decided to make a pillow out of it. So the pillow form that I'm going to be using is actually one that I got on clearance at Hobby Lobby for just a couple of dollars. So I'm going to cut it down to size, and I was taking note of the pattern on the front so that when I sew it, it actually makes the pattern look nice and even. Next, I'm going to come in and just pin it on two sides because already one of the sides is already put together. So that's going to leave me with one side that's open. After I pin the whole piece, I'm going to sew together the two sides that I pinned. Next up, I'm just going to flip the pillow right side out, making sure to really press those corners in so it looks nice. Then I'll put the pillow form back in. And then to make it really easy on myself, I'm just going to hot glue the edges. I'm going to tuck in the frayed edges and hot glue it together. So this ended up being a $7 pillow. They have a ton of rug options. I actually need a new rug for my back door, so I may pick up one here. These rugs are only $3. These larger ones are 3x5, which is a pretty good size for $5. These are great for rugs. You could also use them to recover stuff. They also have these cute little accordion wall hooks. I bought one of these for Caroline's bathroom, and I think I spent $12 on Amazon for it. So these are only $5. Their little dog beds are only $5, and they're perfect size for Moose. Do you guys think Moose needs a new dog bed? I think I need to pick him one out. All right, most of their pillows are only $5. Look at this one, you guys. I definitely need this one for my bedroom. It's white and really cute. They also have that same pillow in like a gray color. And then they also have the Sherpa pillows, which are really popular right now. So their throw blankets are $5 as well. Look at this one, you guys. It's one of those Sherpa blankets, and it's in like a teal color. They also have, you know, really comfy ones. Look at this one. It's a Sherpa blanket, and it's in like a, I guess it's like a camel color. So I'm gonna pick up this cream Sherpa blanket. I also found this really fun inflatable ottoman for just $5. So my idea for this was to create a cool ottoman that my girls could have down in the basement where they play and kind of hang out. So I picked up this blue Sherpa blanket, and I'm going to create a cover for this inflatable ottoman. So I started off by just following the line around the top edge, and that's what I'm going to cut out. I'm going to add about 1/2 inch just to help me whenever I'm sewing. Then I measured how far it was from that top line down to the bottom, and I'm just going to cut a really long piece. Now I lucked out that this piece actually fit perfectly around the edges. Then you're just going to pin the two right sides together. This is easier to do than you may think. Then you're gonna go around and just follow that line you created with your Sharpie and sew the whole entire piece all the way around. Then I'm gonna sew down to close up the sides, flip it right side out, and that's all there is to making a cover. And I think this is so cute and perfect for a playroom. All right, you guys, I need your help. Let me know if you enjoyed watching these Five Below DIYs. This is the first one I've ever done on my channel. So if you like it, I'll definitely do more in the future. But if you didn't like it, I don't want to do them again. If you're new to my channel, I post 2 DIYs each week. So make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of them. And I'll link our last DIY right here for you. And I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.